YouTube? It's your boy, you know what I'm saying? Hey Joe, you got another video? Yeah.
Billy Jean, bitch, I'm bustin' out real clean. 55, 50, 100, making money in my yeah, Billy, Billy Jean.
Hey man, hey listen, it's the guys' night out, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm going to hang out with the guys, you know what I'm saying? I look kind of sleepy because I've been like sleep and shit, you know what I'm saying? Cause hey, you know, Big Joe been gone for a minute, you know what I'm saying? Do-Rag Dave is gonna go back to college, so we had to plan some, you know what I'm saying, just kicking and shit, cause we really haven't been like, you know what I'm saying, kicking it like that. We've been trying to make money and shit. And then, you know, life been kicking my ass, you know what I'm saying, as usual, you already know. But yeah though, going to the gun range. You know, just doing something like, you know, I just feel like I can get some content for y'all, you know. We're going to the gun range, we're going to get something to eat. Me, Do-Rag Dave, Twin, you know, Darian. Then got my boy Manny Fresh, you know what I'm saying. I don't think Chris coming, you know what I'm saying. But oh yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to the gaming channel. Real talk. Make sure y'all subscribe to it. I'ma still be posting like the best events from that, you know what I'm saying, onto the main channel for sure. It's gonna be lit. I'll get my clothes together. I got on X shirt right here. You know, I got some jogging pants, some UGG slippers. You know, so I got on the Debo slipper. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. Hey, I love these, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, bro, when I get married, don't wear these motherfuckers to the motherfucking, you know what I'm saying, to my wig. Let me unrag the dude right quick. Well, y'all ain't ready for this shit, boy. Y'all ain't ready for this shit, boy. Real talk. Alright, so look, bro, I'm woofing right now, you know what I'm saying? I just started to get my waves back. You know what I'm saying? See, I gotta get a haircut, y'all see right there. Listen, bro, you know what I'm saying? I'm woofing right now, bro, you know what I'm saying? Hey, don't get on my dick, bro, please, bro. All you wave experts, bro. Listen, bro, this is the first time that I'm getting my waves back in like 7 months, bro. Get off my dick, bro. Look, my hair is literally tall, bro. Like, if I comb that motherfucker, that shit gonna bye-bye, you know what I'm saying? But get off my dick, bro. Oh yeah, also, chin hair on dick, you know, I gotta chop that motherfucker. But hey though, my boy Dave on the way, you know what I'm saying? I currently, you know what I'm saying, my car fucked up, you know what I'm saying? I'm currently saving for it. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got a job, you know what I'm saying? A job, cause when I drop these pictures on IG, boy, y'all gonna be like, damn, that boy right there, hey, that boy right there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, gorgeous. Say what's up to the camera.
Say what's up.
Playing Roblox. Another thing, y'all, hey listen. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I don't want to be too religious, but you know what I'm saying? I just want to let y'all know on video, you know what I'm saying, about my Lord and Savior. You know, Jesus is King. You know what I'm saying? Hey, without the Lord, I'm nothing. You know, make sure y'all pray. You know what I'm saying? Ask for forgiveness. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all life to Christ. You know what I'm saying? I just want to let y'all know I don't want to be too religious, because I know it's some people who are who are Muslims on here. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, hey, I just want to let y'all know Jesus is King. Yes, sir. Oh, thank you. You need some haircuts, don't you?
We get it tomorrow. Don't do that for me. Don't do
I'm woofing right now. Don't even look at my shit.
You got my Amazon ass?
Wait, it was in there?
Yeah.
Oh, here you go.
Hey, nigga.
How y'all niggas doing, man?
Doing good. Ready to start busting them.
I ain't gonna lie. I only got water on my money.
Manny gonna have his jump so you get the most shoot here. Well, he gotta put the frying pan in there.
You should have went and got CJ shit. The one with the tiger print, that freak ass gun.
The Desert Eagle?
Yeah, but that shit don't cost too much to shoot.
You gonna buy the ammo for that bitch?
That shit cost too much to shoot, and that bitch.
What the fuck? This shit got hollow tip bullets?
No,
it's a fat. It's a 50 cal.
50 cal. That's a 50.
Bro, who is beefing with his Davis?
He only shoot it once a year. Man, what the
y'all put some church music in them motherfuckers.
So I'm saying, what the fuck?
Hallelujah. You don't need no other body. ain't gonna cap, cuz. I be using this shit on Call of Duty. I do it. I could watch my toes, because I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I really been a shooter since, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to talk about it. Hey, cuz. Shit, you know what I'm saying? That shit, cuz.
No, we zombie hunting. You know what I'm saying?
No Call of Duty shit. Yeah, man, this on us too. These niggas right here got a motherfucking deer shooter over here and shit. Twin on that. They got motherfucking quack shooter and shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't be liking to wear these glasses and shit. Nigga phone be popping up and shit.
You can get some better ones, like when you get the boy with your gun and shit. You can get some better ones.
Bro, you got niggas in here who brought their own shit. They was like, I don't need the written none shit. I been like that. I was like, okay. Hey, old white man say, hey, he been like that. You know what I'm saying?
He got a whole case.
That nigga definitely got ops.
That's why it's so good, bro. That's good.
You shooting them off the ground.
Cool.
Look at that big man.
Come on, dude. Come on, dude. I'm finna load it.
Okay.
I was in for the scene.
Okay.
Yeah, this my.
I ain't mine, nigga. It's hard to boo-boo in hell.
Headshot.
That's all me right there. I kind of miss right there and shit.
What you shoot? We can't wrap it. You out? No. He's excited. Huh? They're excited. Jump on me, Theo.
Face. I was trying to get the toy.
Is this how it look?
Yeah.
target on that red joint right there. But check me out. Check me out. Check me out.
You happy fool?
I hit that motherfucker right there. That song right there. Fuck you talking about.
Put some hair in your shit, didn't you? Yeah, I don't know. If you would have shot that, I know that M&P put some hair in your chest for real.
Talking about Mandy gun?
Mm-hmm.
I shot that.
I know. Put some hair in your chest, didn't it?
Bitch not safe.
No, it's not.
It shoot
Is it,
it shoot low as fuck. Is that?
What? You know from a long game.
There you go.
Let me see that.
It's still something here. Let me shoot that up.
Oh, you gonna shoot?
Real quick.
Okay.
Quick, me shoot it. Ready? You ready, motherfucker?
Okay. Okay.
I got the last round. You can't rap fast, dude.
We did?
We done.
Oh yeah. I can't hear nothing in this motherfucker, boy. These motherfuckers.
Oh, God, my ears hurt like a motherfucker.
How y'all feel?
Man, legendary.
14 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey, I made a mistake in rapid fire. Oh bullshit.
You got that big motherfucker.
Yeah, big data right there.
You said it was heavy.
She said it was heavy. It really is food, but I'm gonna see. Hold on. You don't even think I'm.
How many you got left?
So I want to shoot
I
that.
be bullet them.
11?
Huh?
Got 11?
We got like 20 more rounds.
Oh, you got a whole box left.
No.
Oh.
So we got 10 minutes, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, got you.
Hold on.
God damn, you miss hard to hit, bro.
Come on.
That's that old school.
Hey.
You shoot her in the dick. Shot her in the dick. What you talking about? Shot her in the arm.
I put like 12 in there. Last one. That's it. Just load that bitch up there. Where man he go? Oh, he up there.
Oh, no. I think he went to get another gun.
Oh, okay.
That big motherfucker. You don't know the name of the gun, nigga?
Dang. What's the name of the gun?
Look at that.
It's an M4. It's an M4 clone.
Yeah, for what?
It's an M4. It's an M4.
They said it was straight.
Damn, who got that headshot?
Me and Darren. We shot the same spot.
Yeah.
We shot the same
No,
spot.
I shot him in the neck. I got a neck shot.
Hey, who got the?
I already got a headshot. Yeah, me and Devin.
Yeah, me and Devin aimed at the same spot. Me and Derek did. Me and Derek did.
I did it first than he did.
Yeah.
Niggas the police.
That's it?
Let me try that one. When did I did it?
I have no clue.
Shit, I know I hit them little nigga body though. I think I hit a hit in the face though.
You probably hit this one. Probably.
Probably got
Cause I think you and Manny get that shit down there.
Alright.
shit, they decent.
We ain't this though. We ain't this though.
What you got going over here, man? God damn, you gotta. Hey! Hey, Dustin. Somebody the police. Nigga, Manny got the motherfucking flag shoot.
Damn, I'm gonna cut my foot.
Get them hoes, I ain't gonna try.
Oh God!
Well, you got better aim than the police.
I wish.
I just pull that hoe back, right?
Yeah.
This right here.
Yup. Is it? Is it?
Like a regular is the extended one.
So I don't feel like getting aftermarket stuff.
I mean, you gonna have to win them.
Hey. I'm finna shoot the bazooka.
But a magazine, I need that to already deal with.
Y'all gonna be in when I'm shooting the bazooka and shit?
Cause all it needs is like 10 rounds.
Hey, y'all gonna be in like, I'm finna shoot the bazooka and shit. Y'all gonna be with me?
Yeah, bro.
That shit illegal as hell, but I got you, bro.
What you mean? Oh, really a shooter though. I just ain't told her like.
Oh my God.
You done, man?
Hey, I miss hard as a motherfucker with this thing.
Yeah,
That's the easiest one.
I want to shoot that 300 blackout, man. Every time I go to a gun range, I can't never shoot 300 blackout.
Well, they don't
air
have
out pistol.
a blackout?
He said they don't got the bullets for it, bro.
Oh, you talking about the junk you asked for?
We get up, we gotta get one of these right here.
Hey y'all, we get up here, we gotta get one of these.
Which one?
You know they don't cost that much.
That's what I'm saying. That shit cheap as hell.
Real?
700 to 300.
How much a Glock is?
This shit, hold on. It's over here somewhere.
Oh, this what a big John said.
A Glock, man, she's. Bro, I told you a Glock 26 like $500.
This motherfucker 1,300 though.
That's for the high. That's for like 45. Bro.
That whole lie. So the cheaper.
They got the shadow.
No, you're not.
That hoe is sexy, I ain't gonna lie.
Word.
Shadow.
But the shadows are always
That ain't not a small shadow. This a shadow.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, fool. I can't pay no 1,600 for no fucking guns.
Just make sure you don't.
You crazy for
Don't. If
I
you
don't think I'm paying 60 for it.
If you need a handgun, bro, just don't. Just
That
make
should
sure
be your
you
price
get-
range.
Yeah, your price range. Cause if
I'm
you get
getting
a
AR.
don't get a $400 gun.
Don't ever get a
No, it's gonna jam,
unless it's a SIG, don't get a phone.
Yeah.
I'm getting an AR pistol. That's what they look like they're doing for it right there. The legit right there. That's what I want.
Oh, you talking about the?
Little motherfucker. They gonna be 9 million.
This is okay.
He'll probably give you a
that's
good
a good-
couple years.
That's a couple years. That's if you take care of it.
Yeah.
So if I got some ops, what I need to get?
Glock.
You talking about that couple?
A Glock.
Fuck that.
Let's get a fucking Glock. That's CMG.
Hey, nigga, what in the cowboy? This the revolver.
Devin like this. Devin.
This real rodeo days. Hey, fool. That motherfucker doing damage, man.
I'm gonna blow your whole teeth out.
You go blow the thoughts off a nigga head. Goddamn. Hey, he go to Rugers. Go to Rugers.
I don't like Rugers, honestly. Me, I'm not a Ruger guy. I like FNs.
Don't they got like a lighter sound or something like that?
They better. Some people like sights and that shit.
Cause the recoil and shit.
That Glock, oh, that's a big daddy. You gotta be a man handle that shit like that.
Shit, I don't think you can handle this shit right there.
I just
boy.
shot him over.
That motherfucker 23. Damn.
Oh my god.
This nigga getting horny and shit off a gun.
I ain't letting up off a nigga with that 20. I wanna know if they got CMG. They got everything. They got name feds.
I ain't gonna lie, fool. That motherfucker right there. Nigga, that's a cop. 4200, 43. I ain't gonna lie, fool. If you put a drum on a Glock, fool.
You're an evil person. Evil. Let's just wait on that. You're an evil ass nigga. Like other Glocks.
Don't ever get a high point. I don't care what you. I don't care in your life. But don't ever get a high point. Whenever you get a high point,
But they shoot though, fool.
of course they shoot. Yes. Yes.
But these folks really getting horny over some guns, bro. Might just add me to pay for a gun, 909. Gonna set up some payments on that motherfucker.
You can get it. Fool. You ask me what I want, that's what I want.
Set up some motherfucking payments. Be a nigga credit ride paying off that motherfucker.
Might will.
What's up, nigga?
Nigga, I just shot a gun on nigga.
Nigga, me too, nigga. Boom, boom. I like it. Play with me, boy.
Bro, look at that.
Nigga picked up an AR, I think he
It's not over.
cool or something. Cool ass nigga.
This one's good, now that one.
What's messing up?
Cause at first I had to do this one, but now that one. Daddy said he wanted chicken quesadilla.
You looked at the menu already?
You know what I'm saying? With the guys and shit. You know how we eating these. I ain't gonna lie, for this shrimp look kind of vibe.
This shrimp look good as hell.
Hey, we hopping on stream. You know what I'm saying? Got these right here.
I don't think about trying them hoes out. I don't know. I didn't get good views, so I had 20 niggas look at my latest Twitches, and then on my YouTube, I had like 15 people.
Damn, this shit good. I shouted your YouTube, bro. I was like, bro, go fuck with my nigga, bro.
What you shot on the story?
The community tab.
Oh, so look, that's probably where it came from. I don't know what they-
Yeah, cause the video right there, fool.
Mhm.
Bro, what the fuck is the juices at, fool? Yes, sir, bro. You know what I'm saying? We finally made it back to the crib, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it was a lit, you know what I'm saying? A little vlog, you know, I just want to show y'all around because I really don't be like, you know what I'm saying, doing shit like that. But yeah, it was straight, you know what I'm saying? Shot the fuck out that Glock though, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all saying Big Joe, baby. But yeah, though, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna hop on the game and shit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all hear that. But nah, though, make sure y'all subscribe to my gaming channel, the homie Joey Gaming. Make sure y'all just subscribe to my boy Durag Dave. Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Chris. You know what I'm saying? We finna go crazy on this game and shit. And yeah, bro. You know we finna keep on going at it, bro. You know, real shit, bro. And make sure y'all like, share, subscribe on this channel. We trying to hit 50K. Y'all know what time it is. I ain't talking about the one to watch. I'm gonna take a doodle, bro. That pasta had a nigga. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna fuck with y'all though. fuck on my phone. Nah, I'm just playing. Look, y'all.